foodies, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this flavorful chickpea curry or Chana Chole as it is called in India. And we are pairing this with puris or something similar called Bhature in India. So let's get started on my simple recipe using simple ingredients. Let's start with the chickpea curry or Chana Chole. To a pot, add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil on high heat. Then add in 1 onion, finely chopped. To this also add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And also add in 1 green chili, slit into 2, then allow to saute on high heat until brown. In a small bowl, add in the following spices: 1 teaspoon of rough salt, half a teaspoon of crushed red chilies, half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, depending on how spicy you want it, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this all together until well combined. Once the onions have browned, add in the spices. Give it a quick mix. And this is still on high heat. Then add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add in 1 cup of water and allow to simmer, bringing down the heat to medium heat. Add in 2 cups of boiled chana or chickpeas, or for convenience, you could also use 2 small cans. Add in 1 cup of water and allow to simmer for about 15 minutes on medium heat, then switch off the stove. Now let's make our puris or bhature. This will make 12-20 centimeter puris or bhature. To a bowl, add 2 cups of cake flour, and this is normal cake flour. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add in a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder. This looks like 1, but it's actually a small spoon measurement. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter ghee and mix until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Then add in 1 cup of full cream yogurt and make into a soft rollable dough. Add in more yogurt or flour if you feel you need it. The dough should look like this. Wait for about half an hour to sit on the counter. The dough will become soft and ready to roll. Divide this into small balls and roll out, leaving them aside over a floured surface. Once ready to fry, heat a pan with sunflower oil. Fill the pan halfway through and heat on high heat. Test the oil, making sure it's hot enough to fry the puris, else the puris will not puff up. Reduce the heat to medium heat. Place 1 puri at a time into the pot. And notice how quickly they start to bubble. Turn over once it puffs up. And you will notice the other side also blowing up. Once you have fried all the puris, it's time to serve. So let's make a topping as a garnish for our chickpea curry. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter ghee, then add half a cup of sliced mixed peppers and saute until crisp. Serve the chickpea curry in a bowl. Then add the sauteed peppers as garnish. This meal is so packed with flavor that you will be making this over and over again. And these puris are the softest ever. Look at that. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how this recipe turned out for you. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!